Alright. So, come watch my car with me because it's a freaking mess in here. And, it's a nice day to wash, so let's do that. Alright, so I got $5 I gotta change and like $3 in quarters, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. Okay, we're gonna go change these real quick. Okay, so I just finished washing the car and we gotta dry it and vacuum it because it's a mess in here. And hopefully I can get this done before I have to pick up my mother. Because if not, I'm gonna have to come back. But yeah, so let's dry this baby up and vacuum it and clean it and do whatever I need to do. Yo, guys, my earbud just fell under my car and I don't know what to do. Hold on. Give me a second. I think I might just go and grab it. Probably. Oh, it's way down there. Oh. Okay. I got it. Oh, that was a doozy. Okay. On to vacuuming. Alright, so we're at my parking spot now. I just washed the car, so now we're gonna have to undust it and like clean it off and stuff. Cause look, it looks good. I mean, it's clean, but it needs some detailing. Also, that's my stuff I dried it with and like my sweater and stuff. But like the windows are not like clean. So we're gonna try and clean those, and we're gonna try and undust all of this because that's what's next. So anyways, I'm gonna dust the car here, and then I'll go over it with protectant or whatever. Okay, so I got my little box of like the little leather cleaner and protectant or whatever. We got glass cleaner. We got some towels. This box is pretty busted up, not gonna lie. But I think I'm gonna use this for glass, and I'm gonna use one of these that I didn't use because some of them are wet. But like this one's fine, right? This one's dry. So I'll use that. And then I'll probably just go from front to back. So, yeah.